Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Betway Premiership ibuyile bafethu. Mamelodi Sundowns versus Orbit College namhlanje ngo-7:30. I think igame ezoba lula for i-Sundowns. I don't think i-Orbit College izonika abafana baseTlorkop inkinga. Big talking point ke would be seeing uMiguel Cardoso ku-touchline. If we don't see him, ayisobe soku-confirmed ukuthi ayingathi kune-chance ukuthi ahambe, but if sombona ku-touchline namhlanje angazi ngempela, but I'll be checking that out, paying close attention to Sundowns laphana ku-technical team yabo ukuthi izoline up kanjani ebhentshini, ukuthi ubani uzobeka ku-touchline. Is it Miguel Cardoso or maybe kuzoba khona omunye umuntu, kuzoba nama-surprises asazi, but i-chance ukuthi Miguel Cardoso simbonile ensukwini laphana ku-Sundowns, benza nama-clip nama-videos ngaye. Omunye simbhekile uKhuliso Mudau, since kunama-speculations ukuthi uyayishiya i-Sundowns, but sikhumbule ukuthi i-Sundowns yathi uMudau is not for sale. So asibuyeleni emechini-ke bafowethu. I think i-Sundowns for mina izoshaya 3+ goals. If izoshaya amagoli amancane izoshaya maybe 2, but ngibona i-Sundowns ishaya 3 or more goals laphana. I don't think i-match i-Orbit College, and obviously Sundowns igijimisa i-league and ku-number 2. Iyazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates ine-game in hand, ngapha Orlando Pirates iyalida. So i-Sundowns they cannot afford ukuthi bangatholi maximum points kule game le. Bana 26 point, badlale 13 games, meaning that after le game le namhlanje i-Sundowns izobe ihleli ku-14 games, so nga 26 points. So man izobe ihleli ku-14 games depending on ama-results abazowathola, but I think straight win for Sundowns. Whereas i-Orbit College ihleli laphana ku-number 13, yes, ina 14 points. Number 14, number 15, number 16 bana 9, 11 and 12 points. So just one win from number 15, they say Magesi, or number 14 Stelis, Baba on top of them. So now bazoba serious ngempela, and we've heard that they've signed few experienced players with Balitama play with azobasiza laphana, but still I don't think those players will do enough with bakwazi ukushaya i-Sundowns. Umuntu esinga-expect ukuthi alide i-Sundowns, okay ngiyababona oRisino, but asiqale ku-Orbit College isibheka ama-player wakhona, because u-Orbit, I mean it's different, it's a different team. For mina i-team engithi ayinayo experience kakhulu ku-Betway Premiership or ku-professional setup. I was just surprised ukuthi ifike kanjani ku-Betway Premiership, to be fair, because okay akusiyi-team, there's nothing wow about bona. There's no individual brilliance that I see. There's nothing. Bonke abantu ba-flat. Even the guys, the players they took from Orlando Pirates, Kumaloni, those guys are not good. Well, maybe abakatholi i-groove yabo, let's say energy yabo ne-confidence, but I don't think those guys would give i-Sundowns a problem. So asingeneni kuma-player let's say esingawabheka laphana ukuthi angaba highly influential. I think uRamahlwe Mphahlele, I wish ngilisho kahle igama lakhe, umuntu one-experience but una-35 kwadlala ku-Sundowns nako-Kaizer Chiefs nakwamanye ama-team aku-Betway Premiership. Singambheka laphana ukuthi maybe emuva akwazi ukubhalansa i-defense yabo ukuthi ibe strong, and then akwazi ukuba-advisa ukuthi banga-expectani kule game lena ezoba nzima for laphana for abafowethu. And then khona uYanga Madiba, iplayer le-Orlando Pirates eliku-loan, if angilenzi iphutha, naye umfana unayo a bit of experience, but even last season bekadlala ku-National First Division la bekadlalela khona i-Orbit College. So abanayo experience that much, abanabo abafana ba-exciting. Even looking at their squad, maybe uThibedi lo odlala laphana i-midfielder, u-creative even laphana phambili, uyakwazi ukushaya lawo ma-assist or ama-passes are-good, cause udlale wonke amagame uThibedi this season, and maybe umdlali ongabanika something. But masimbheka udlala ku-midfield, I don't see him amatcha what is this team amatcha i-midfield ye-Sundowns laphana eba-powerful kakhulu. But uMokoena, if ngikhumbula kahle, uLebang Mokoena bafethu is currently injured. Yes, he's currently injured. No, he's not currently injured. He's suspended, not currently injured. He is suspended. So abanayo umuntu orana laphana eswini oshaya i-DM right kakhulu, so akekho lowo muntu loyo. Maybe they'll miss uMokoena, but also banabadlali abafana nabo Obas abakwaziyo ukudlala kuleya position leya. Noma kuthiwa futhi abadlali ngoMokoena abanayo i-DM laphana, I don't think bazoface ama-problems amaningi if bangaba let's say badlale let's say ngoNuno Santos, ngoRicinho, ngo-Allende, because uRicinho i-central midfielder akayi phambili kakhulu than o-Allende noNuno Santos. I think ku-left back kuzoba uModiba because of uye ozobanika lento lokuthi baya phambili kakhulu, because of uLunga akekho good ukuya phambili. uBasadena akakabi naleyo confidence, but sobona ukuthi i-first starting lineup i-Sundowns izohamba kanjani, but hayi kuzoba nzima kakhulu for abafana laphana be-Orbit College, abana-chance. But khona ama-former Kaizer Chiefs players akhona laphana, umdlalo ofana noLisako wayekhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, I think bamdevelopha khona laphana ku-Chiefs. But yeah, no chance for i-Orbit. Ayi sobona bafethu, no chance. I don't think i-Orbit ine-chance. But-ke ibhola at the end of the day liyaginqika, you never know. Sometimes linokumfavor nje umuntu, udlale ne-team, i-team ingakwazi nokuthola ama-opportunities or ukukora iwageje when you get only one chance. As long ukwazi ukucontrol laphana emuva, let's say i-shape uyicontrole kahle. I think kumele bazi ukuthi i-Sundowns izoba-attack-a igame yonke, so bona what they have to do is just to sit back, babe nabantu abawu-2 abazo-attack-a laphana to try and catch ilo i-Sundowns ku-transition. Why? Because of i-Sundowns izoloku i-attack, and then if they go to let's say boma second half ku-0-0, maybe-ke bane-chance ukuthi bayi-frustrate more, because i-Sundowns second half izozama uku-attack-a more, and then maybe bavule laphana iy'khala zokuthi bavule iy'khala because of ba-attack-a kakhulu. If khona abafana abahlakaniphile ku-Orbit College bangathatha i-advantage yaleyo nto leyo, ukuthi okay i-Sundowns i-frustrated and then they are pushing for ama-results, but still angiyiboni i-Orbit iwin. But if khona iside eli-weak ku-Sundowns, iside lakwa-left back, if kuzodlala uModiba, yes uModiba uzobanika i-problem ukuya phambili because of ugood connecta nama-players walaphana phambili, but in terms of i-defense uModiba is not good. So I don't think i-side kumele bali-target. uSalengi lo bekabadlalela akekho, siyazi ukuthi is currently obviously injured, ujoin i-Sundowns. I would have loved to see uSalengi edlala ne-Orbit College, but yeah, it's not happening because he's currently out laphana, u-injured umfana, but kusho ukuthi i-Sundowns imsayine ngoba imthemba. But I think le match lena inganika abanye abadlali abangakayitholi i-game time that much this season. For example, lese uKhuliso Mudau ifixa senama-complications, abaqalise umdunyelo. Uye umuntu esizobe simbhekile ulo uKhuliso Mudau ukuthi uzoqala or ngeke aqale, uzodlala or ngeke, zonke lezo zinto lezo, nanokuthi uzoba khona ku-match day squad, and then khona abantu bazo-speculate more if abamboni la, but yeah uyojoyina in, but yeah siyazi ukuthi i-contract yakhe iyaphela. Then umuntu esi-100% sure ukuthi uzodlala unless if kunamaphutha, if isquad saka-Miguel Cardoso, uMatthews uyi winger abayithembayo kuphela ku-Sundowns. If there's one winger ku-Sundowns abayithembayo yile, uye umuntu esaziyo ukuthi udlala almost every akikho igame engeke ngayibukela mina ngadlala uMatthews. Asazi-ke ukuthi i-Sundowns izo-introduce i-strike esisha saseColombia abasithenge u-50 something million uLeon, noma bazodlalisa i-striker sabo esidura kakhulu bafethu, uReynas, umuntu owashaya amagoli. If khona umuntu owashaya amagoli, uReynas washaya ngempela umfowethu, akadlali. I'd say Sundowns would score more than 3 njengoba bengishilo bafethu, even 4 bayazenzela. First half I see them scoring a goal. Cela ukuzibamba lana okwamanje bafethu, cela ningakhohlwa ukuthi uLerato Shabang uyasijoyina this week. Danko bafethu.